Back into the live stream, and yes, before you tune into the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. 1 second here, guys. Gotta redo this live stream. There we go. Cool. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all tuning back into the live stream. So yes, before you tune into the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. All right, so yes, let's go over what I'm looking at for today. Hold on, I gotta change this up just a bit, fix it. Okay, cool. Got that fixed. Maybe I'll turn the brightness down just a bit here so you guys can see. All right, so yes, I will be pulling up this other live stream here, and then yeah, we will be going over what I'm seeing for today. Good to see you all. Good to see you all. All right, yeah, I just put up the other live stream here. I'm pretty sure the my assistant will tell the team we're on live too as well. All right, cool. All right, so yes, I do want to go over the cues first. We'll go over pretty much everything. Obviously, for the swings yesterday, I didn't really have any regular swings, but only took some lottos, which we will go over. All right, so yes, as for right now, I do like the cues. It doesn't look bad to me, right? So got a box here, and yes, right under us. So under that 632, we got some empty space. So clear gap up, no consolidation. This is what I would be looking for to the downside here. Honestly, it doesn't look too bad. So yeah, that is only cues. So we break under that 632 area. I would be looking for the next resistance, which is down to, oh no, let's see. And hopefully this doesn't happen before market opens. If it does, you know, that's fine. But yes, entry, exit, middle of the move, we got exactly what we want here. So right now we are inside of consolidation. We're just inside of this box here. I personally don't want to take anything on this, unless if we can get on that 632 area, which honestly looks good. Let's see here. So yeah, that's what I can see there. Obviously, yes, there is a bigger move of empty space on a higher time frame to the downside, but yeah, that's what I can see there. That looks really good. Obviously, yes, we got that there, but pretty much going to start off with just this first move here. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good morning. Good to see you guys and gals. We appreciate you all tuning in. All right, yeah, so that is on the cues. Let's go over SPY now. SPY, Tesla, IWM will, you know, pretty much do everything. Pretty much start fresh on this as well. Let's see here. I will say I do like the cue setup just a little bit better, just because it's a little bit cleaner for me. Same thing on SPY. We're pretty much in consolidation, so I don't want to touch this. But under us, so okay, actually this isn't a bad bottom wall here. So let's see here. So we got a top there, we got a bottom wall there. So bottom wall, we do have 2 points of contact on there. So under that 648, if we get that drop, that continuation, yeah, we are, or at least I'm looking for this downside here. So what, down to that 683. So about like a $1 move down. Nothing crazy, but still, we got a nice little pocket there that we could end up going into. Yo, Dark Trader, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. Thanks for being here, man. So yeah, that looks good. Entry, exit, middle of the move, we got exactly what we want. So that is on SPY. Looks honestly pretty decent. We may end up doing that pre-market. Hopefully we don't, but all good. All right, yes, we'll go over Tesla, IWM. We'll go over what, AMD as well. So obviously, yeah, didn't really have anything, only some lottos, things of that sort. So no real entries for me. Obviously, let's see here. So for IWM, there's two possible outcomes for this. Honestly, I like the upside. You know, I do want the upside here, but so I do see this 4 hour. Let me see the 1 hour really quickly. So, okay, it looks like we're trying to drop. Obviously, yes, there's empty space above us here. We'll go over that. Let's go over this higher time frame first really quickly. So, let's see, the 4 hour. 4 hour looks the best to me. So, yeah, we shall see, we shall see. Yo, Lon, thanks for liking the live stream, really appreciate it. So, yeah, we got this, let's see, this box here. Top, bottom wall. Looks like we're already trying to go into this empty space here. So if this ends up happening, I personally won't take this. Looks like, yeah, we already hit that imbalance. If we do continue that 244.86, that's what I can see there, which doesn't look terrible. So yeah, we're sitting right on this imbalance. So this is where price could end up rejecting here. If we do continue though, I could see down to that 244 area. That is on IWM. Let's see here. 2 hour, 1 hour. All right, so that's there. Do we have a little bit more empty space under us? Yes, we do. So yeah, we got some empty space down here. Obviously above us though. So what? Today's Thursday, so it could be IWM day, as Glock would say. All right, yo, I got you with Spy, got you, Chipotle. No worries. Okay, cool. If you have any requests, now's the time to drop them in the comments. We will be going over pretty much everything. But yeah, to the upside, let's see here. So I'll be honest, we got some empty space above us. So we got this clear gap down here. This is something that I definitely would like if we can get it. So let's see here. Trying to see which I would like the best. So personally, there is a box here. So this box is going to look a little bit different, a little bit weird, but pretty much the same exact concept. We got this Potter box that needs to be broken to this upside. So wick. Yes, I do see this red candle here, but still counting that as the empty space. We get that break above this wall here. So if we end up rejecting this, we got some empty space above us, which looks good. Entry, exits, middle of the move. Got exactly what we want. All right, hold on. I got to enter the password. All right, cool. All right, cool, perfect. So yeah, that's on IWM. That's if we can get this continuation back up, which honestly doesn't look bad. So above that 247. Obviously, if you wanted to be safe, 248.06, and clear out of that. Empty space above us, so doesn't look too bad. So that is on IWM. We'll see how this plays out for today. All right, so that is on there. Let's keep on going. Tesla. All right, so for Tesla, let's go ahead and get rid of all this. Let's go to the higher time frame. Each trade exactly the same in our Discord. Honestly, that 4 hour looks amazing. All right, so I'm going to pull up all these charts here you guys want me to look at, but we will go over Tesla. So SPY, we'll go over that. Looks like some TPs are already hitting, but we'll go over that again. QQQ, we're pretty much right at this wall here, so we could end up seeing this continuation. Honestly, hopefully it doesn't happen pre-market, but if it does, yeah, there's that move there, that's for sure. All right, anyways, we'll keep on going. So SPY, we will do that. We'll do what? Chipotle, that's just CMG. Let's take a look here. QBT, RIVN, okay, cool. Yo, Lurch, what's up, man? Yo, Dan, what's up? RIVN, all right, cool. Yeah, we'll go over this as well. SOFI, all right, cool. And PayPal. Yo, Chef, what's up? Francisco, what's up? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all tuning in. All right, so RIVN, I'll be honest. So yeah, only lottos, nothing crazy. So as of what, yesterday, so for this, we had this clear gap down, no consolidation. We ended up, so yesterday, this happened during the day actually. So I think it was around like lunchtime yesterday. We ended up getting that break above. And yeah, I wanted this end of day. So I wanted like a real entry of this end of day. As you can see with this next candle, we ended up being, you know, back into this box. So it wasn't valid at all. So I didn't have any valid swings. So yeah, I just want to lotto this out. If we can get that break above and finish this move, it looks good. But yeah, we would need to clear that 1380 area for us to potentially finish that move. So that's what I can see there. Looks really good, really decent. Obviously, yes, we were just in the box, so it's just not a valid trade for me right now. Yo, Jose, good to see you, man. Really appreciate you tuning in. So if we can finish that move, looks good. But yeah, lottos are just lottos though. So that is on RIVN. We need that breakout outside of that 1380 for us to see that upside. All right, so that is on there. Tesla, let's take a look. All right, so yeah, we didn't go over Tesla yet. I do see the 4 hour, which looks good. I do want to see okay, 2 hour honestly looks decent too. 1 hour might be my best friend today. All right, hold on. Okay, the 1 hour looks good. I kind of like it. Actually, I like it a lot. Hold on. Okay. All right. So there's two possible outcomes on here. So we'll go over this 1 hour first. Honestly, it doesn't look terrible. All right, so Tesla. Yes, we got some empty space below us. On this 1 hour, this is what I'm seeing. So yes, we got another box here. So top, bottom wall there. Right under this bottom wall here. So under this 452. Yo, Freedom, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. I got you with CMG, no worries. I know I'm going a little bit slow. So my bad on that today. But yeah, we got this empty space under us. So under that 452, don't see any resistance down into that 441.12 area. Honestly, looks pretty decent. So yeah, if we end up falling, yeah, under that 452 looks good. I will say there's another little pocket though. So, and what I mean by that is this. So, yes. Hold on, let me look really quickly. Okay, yeah, there's another little pocket here. We got this empty space that is still under us. Doesn't look too bad. So yeah, right now, got a top wall there. Another little bottom wall. So this is on a little 30-minute chart. We get that break under that 454.37. Could see that 451 on 52. So that's what I can see there, which looks good. Maybe I would leave a runner to that downside. But let's just say if that ends up happening during pre-market, I would still like this 1 hour chart. So doesn't look too bad actually. So we will just have to clear this whole empty space to this downside, which looks good. All right, so that is on there. So yeah, I do like that. So Tesla looks good. Right now we're just in, more consolidation. I'm not going to touch anything on this. But yeah, under that 452 looks good. All right, so CMG, let's take a look here. So, all right, so we had earnings on this. We ended up getting this drop. All right, hold on. So yeah, it looks like, yeah, we did not want to tap this empty space. No, I will be honest, I'm not in this trade. But yeah, empty space, didn't want to tap into that. Looks like we just wanted to finish this move to the downside. If we do get that continuation though, would see down to that 29.79 area. So that's what I'm looking at on there. Obviously, I'm not going to chase into it just because that move already pretty much happened. I will say, back up to the upside though, we got a little bit of empty space. So, all right, so hold on one second here. All right, so maybe a 30-minute, 45-minute. Okay, so if I was going to take this back to the upside here, this is what I can see. So we got this empty space. So top, bottom wall here, right above that 33.76 area. Could see us back up to that 39.96. So yeah, that's just what I'm seeing. That's on CMG. Obviously, yes, we end up getting that drop straight into that empty space there. All right, so that is on that. We'll keep on going. Yo, Tony, what's up? Yo, Rookie, nice Nice car. Yo, appreciate it so much, man. Really appreciate it. Carla, what's up? What's up? Can I look at Meta? Yeah, I got you. Good to see you this morning. All right, so we did Tesla. Where are we at? We did SPY, but we'll do it again just if anyone wants to know what I'm looking at on SPY. Okay, I'm glad it didn't happen. Let me look at the Qs too. All right, hold on. I just want to see where we're at. All right, good. It hasn't happened yet. We pulled back, which is a good thing for me. So I think it was, I forgot what play it was. I think it was yesterday that I think I wanted Tesla, but I think Tesla ended up doing its thing before market ended up opening. I think it was just yesterday or the day before. But yeah, still for SPY, for those asking, yes, we still have empty space under us, which looks good. Right under this 648, or sorry, 684. Can't even read today, but yes, right under there, looks really good to this downside. We can get that continuation break. Looks pretty decent. So body candle, body wick there. Looks like we may end up trying that pre-market, but yeah, we'll see how that plays out. All right, yeah, we did CMG. Carl, I got you with Meta. What, AMD, I believe. He said, I'm so close to blowing my live account this week, and Friday did save me, put brothers. I need that play. Yo, Rich, what's up, man? No worries, man. So, I mean, I'm just only going to wait for the charts, pretty much. I do like the Qs if we can get it, though. Doesn't look too bad. All right, so AMD, and we'll go over Meta too. Ooh, AMD looks good. Maybe I'll write that down. Yeah, AMD looks pretty fire, actually. So AMD, yeah, if we end up dropping AMD, all right, cool. Yeah, it actually doesn't look bad. Looks pretty good. All right, so as of this second here, yeah, we got some empty space below us. Yeah, that's honestly a beautiful move, I will say. It looks okay. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. All right, so under that, let's see, 254. So yes, we still have a lot of empty space under us, which I wouldn't mind taking if we can get it. So under that, 254 down to that. So imbalance, entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want, and that is that 242.93. So yeah, right now, same thing. We're in that box. We're in consolidation. Maybe on a lower time frame, we could end up breaking it down a little bit more. You know, this definitely could be a overlapping box here. So even if I wanted to take it under this 257, I definitely could try that there. All right, so yeah, that's on AMD. I do like that 4 hour though. Honestly, yeah, it could be a nice starter position during the day and then maybe a nice swing into the end of the day. So we'll see how that plays out. Yo, Carl, got you with Meta. All right, so as for this, let's take a look here. Honestly, I want to start fresh on this. I know I have a little play up there. All right, so let's see. Okay, 24 hour. I will be honest, I'm not going to chart this on a 24 hour. I do want to go to a lower time frame, so we will see how this plays out. 1 second here. My bad, guys. Charging my device here. All right, so 4 hour. Let's see here. Okay. We do got a little bit more downside if we do want to get that flush. So the 4 hour looks good. Let me see if the 2 hour looks also decent. Hold on 1 second here. Okay, yeah, I do like the 2 hour. The 2 hour looks good. So this is if we want to drop down. Obviously, yes, we can go over the upside too as well. So just give me 1 second. So yeah, we got another box here. So top, bottom wall. So see wick, body candle. So yeah, I would need to break that full consolidation in order for us to target into this downside here. So we got this empty space that honestly looks good. We get that break under this 680 area. Those look pretty decent. So yes, entry, exit. Middle of the move, we got exactly what we want. So right now, yeah, it looks good. To that downside, if we want to get that continuation, let me make sure nothing's stopping me so I don't have to tweak this. Okay, cool. All right, so that's that downside there. Obviously, yes, we can look at the upside. I can see, yes, we had a crazy drop for sure. We'll probably have to do this one. All right, so upside. Okay, so yeah, upside, this is what I see. There's a box here. So nice little top wall, bottom wall there. So yeah, above that, so let's just say if we don't want to keep dropping, if we want to reverse it open or something, yeah, we got this empty space above us, so would have to reclaim this 686 area, punch through that 697. And then yeah, we have that empty space above us. So yeah, it looks really good. Entry to exit, middle of the move. We got exactly what we want here. Doesn't look too bad. So yeah, pretty much just like all of our trades here, we get into the trades. They work or they don't. So clear gap down. You can see what we did yesterday. Amazon, IWM gave what, 3 entries, 2 to the downside and 1 to the upside. You can see what we did in that morning there. And we end up getting in, we get out. So shout out to some of the members there catch a couple of those plays. What, $400 there. Shout out to a different member, IWM puts, made 800 there. IWM, so you can see, yeah, IWM was a great little play from yesterday. So just a little update to yesterday's. So shout out to Manny. Shout out to A&M. So yeah, we got to give the guy some likes. All right, so yeah, that's what I'm seeing there. AMD looks good. All right, cool. All right, so yeah, we'll keep on going. So SPY. All right, so since we're already on SPY, and yes, we'll go over all these other ones as well. So what we got to go over. So we did AMD. I've written that down. I have my alert set on that. So someone asking me about SPY. I'll be honest. Yeah, it looks like. Yeah, Carly, no worries. Good to see you once again. Really appreciate it. I'm tuning in. So yeah, we got this, empty space here. Honestly, I kind of want to pull back on this. I won't chase into it if we end up touching this target here. So yeah, if we end up touching that, what, 684 and then that 683, then yeah, I personally won't be entering into that. But yeah, we'll see how things will play out. So we will see. Hold on one second here. All right. So yeah, right now, yeah, that's what I can see there. Obviously, I mean, ooh, actually, maybe SPY looks good to the. Maybe I can even hold on. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Maybe I see something else as well. Yo, what's up? What's up, my guy? What's the plan for today? Honestly, man, I'm just gonna wait for a couple positions. I only took some lottos, so those are just gonna be lottos. So we didn't have any valid swings as of yesterday. So yeah, for today, I'm just gonna be patient. Obviously, just gonna get into a few plays if we can get some entries. I do like a couple of these plays. Honestly, if we drop today, yeah, it might be a nice little day today. But yeah, we'll see how things play out. Let's just say if this moves in, this move ends up happening pre-market, which it kind of is. So let's say we end up dropping all the way below. There's still a nice little move to the downside on this 1 hour on SPY, so it doesn't look bad. I really won't complain. So it doesn't look too bad there. All right, so that's on SPY. We did Meta, we did AMD, we did RIVN. So obviously we went over this. Wasn't a valid trade. Obviously, lotto, but yeah, we were in the box. So you can even see, told the members, RIVN, we were pretty much in that box, so it wasn't a valid entry. So RIVN calls, not valid yet, but yeah, that was pretty much that. SO5, PayPal, okay, PayPal. All right, so what am I missing? Yo, Boo, what's up? CBRL. Okay, we did Qs. So pretty much the same. Got the same little play on that. Spy, we did that as well. Let's keep on going. Lift. All right, cool. Meta, we did that. Let's see, RBL. So yes, I'm pulling up all these trades you guys want to look at. What? Hold on. CBRL. My bad. I'm looking at that really wrong. EA. All right. IWM. I'm pretty sure we're supposed to go over that too as well. Yo, Jeff, what's up? Good to see you, bro. What, Disney? All right, cool. Man, let's see if Disney is ready, bro. If it's, oh, it might be ready, Jeff. Yeah, it might be ready. Or it's not ready yet, so yes, just please do your own research before doing anything, of course. So I'm still going to use this original box that I had, honestly, for this. Maybe I'll write this down. Disney. Man, I feel like if we can get this entry, it'll be great, but we'll just have to see how things play out. So on a, what? So on a weekly chart, so we already had a close outside this box here. So yeah, if I had to stop out, that's perfectly fine. So yeah, we end up getting that break. Obviously, yes, stop loss was there. But honestly, if we can get that full move, I definitely would love to try it again. So might try it on that 109.16 now though. So 109.16, we get that nice break under. It looks good. I can see on a 24-hour time frame if I want to take it on a 24-hour close. Pretty much that same exact position under that 109.06 area. So, yeah, wrote that down. We'll see how that plays out. Yo, Nelly, what's up? Good to see you, bro. All right, so that's there. Dark Trader, I got you, man. Hold on, let's see. Microsoft. All right, let's see. Let's get this. Let's honestly, yeah, let's start fresh on all these charts. We'll start fresh on this. Yo, Fritz, what's up? Yeah, I got you with PDD, no worries. All right, so for Microsoft, it looks like, okay, we are pretty much heading our way back up. Let me look at this on a higher time frame though. So, all right, so we're pretty much near the highs again. See that we dropped a little bit. Okay, yes, 24-hour, 1 hour. All right, so yeah, there is a nice little 1 hour that I can see here. 1 hour even, maybe, hold on, maybe even a 30-minute. So yeah, I'll be honest, the 30-minute honestly looks a lot better. I can see that we have a lot of better points of contact. So what looks good to me is this. Doesn't look too bad. So yeah, we got some empty space above us. Nice top bottom wall here. Not too bad. So yes, right above this 531.58. Would love to see up to that 538.79. Entry, exit, middle of the move. We got exactly what we want here, which doesn't look too bad. So yeah, right now we're just stuck in that box. Pretty much the same thing. So in consolidation, maybe I'll write that down too. Just maybe. Maybe I should set an alert here. Just maybe. All right, yeah, it doesn't look bad though. So what? This is on MSFT. Microsoft. All right, cool. Yeah, MSFT 30-minute chart about that 531. Actually, yeah, it looks pretty good. He said purple, dude. Yeah, I got the pin. Yeah, so I haven't lost my pin in over like a week or two, so we're good, man. We're good over here. All right, yeah. So Microsoft 30-minute honestly looks good. EA, I think, yeah, we did this already. So we did this on a 24-hour, pretty much same thing. We're still inside of this box, so we're still in this consolidation zone, consolidation area. So I wouldn't need that break under that 199.44 to target into this downside here. So right now, yeah, there's just nothing for me to do except for wait. Honestly, yeah, maybe if we get a close end of day, maybe I'll try it to this downside. So yeah, it literally, you know, like all of our plays here. Obviously, if one doesn't work, cool, we get into the next. But yes, so what? EA clear gap up. Want to take it to the downside. So same thing. IWM yesterday, clear gap up. Well, this is the before, clear gap up. We end up getting that break outside the wall. we go and tap that target. So that's what I'll be looking for, just on a higher time frame. So we'll have to, it's going to take its time for sure if it ends up happening. But yeah, we'll keep on going. Yo, Cinder, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. Hopefully I'm saying your name right. If I'm not, you can roast me. It's cool. All right. Let's see. So we did EA. I think Fritz wants PDD. Also, look at what BA. Did the Qs take a dip, man? Did it? Don't tell me that right now. Oh man. Okay. So yeah, this is. And it's all good. So this is. I'm not gonna lie. I wanted to take this one at open, but it's all good. As you can see, yeah, we ended up having this clear gap up, no consolidation here. So this is what I wanted to the downside. So we had a nice Potter box here. We end up getting a break under this wall here. We tapped into my imbalance. So this is where I would have taken profits, but obviously there's I'm not in this play and it's pre-market, so couldn't get in if I wanted to. So as for right now, I could care less about it. If it does end up happening at 630, 65, if I were going to try this again, we would have to pull back on this candle here, possibly for that end of day. So that's that next thing that I can see there. So yeah, 530 or 630, 65 will be that target. So as of now, I'm not stressed about it. I'm not gonna cry about it. It would have been a nice little move, but it's all good. We have a couple other moves that I'm waiting for. Obviously, I'm pretty sure SPY probably took that dip too. So hold on. So yeah, pretty much SPY did that same exact thing here. We end up, yeah, getting that break, going straight to this box, or outside this box. We end up tapping that TP. So this is what I am looking for every day. We might hit that 6, and yeah, you can see pretty much I can't make this up. We rejected off my imbalance. So we'll see. We'll see how in the next 40 minutes it will bring. If we can get a pullback, maybe I'll still end up trying it, but we'll see. All right, so yeah, under us though, I still like it under that 682. We still got a nice little gap here, so I wouldn't mind. I could care less. So I think it was just yesterday. It was either yesterday or the day before. I think I was looking at Tesla, and then Tesla ended up doing its thing before market opened. But it's all good because there's going to be more entries, more trades. If I have to scratch one off the list, that's fine. But you can see what the members and I do inside the Discord. If we hit a trade, cool. If we have to stop out, that's fine. Or if we miss it, and obviously there's nothing I can do since market isn't open, but we just wait. So that's pretty much it. All right, yeah, we got SPY that next move there. We'll see how that plays out. Give me about the next 3 to 4 minutes out. We can talk about it again. But yeah, that's what we do every day in the Discord. And yes, if you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat with the VIP chat. We do have a code that will be ending soon. Put bros30. So everything's in the Discord or in the bio. Honestly, join the free chat, see how you like it. All right, so hold on, I gotta look at, so we gotta do Lyft. I do want to look at Tesla again, see where we're at too. So I'm pretty sure we're okay. All right, cool. Tesla's still in play. All right, so for BA, yo MB, what's up? Good morning. Swinging IWM McDonald's low. Okay, yeah, we'll take a look there. So yeah, I only had some lottos yesterday. I didn't have any regular positions. So for BA, let's take a look here. I think, let's see. I think I did this on a weekly. No, I didn't. Okay, no, I didn't. All right, so yeah, we went over this. We established this. This was a little range here. Above that 226, would love to see above that 229. I will say though, hold on, let's see here. We got, let's see. Nice 2 hour. So I do see a lot of upside on this, but let me look on a higher time frame to the downside really quickly. Okay. Ooh, actually we do got a little bit of downside below us. So I do see two ways here. Just give me 1 second. I do want to see what time frame I do want to use on this. All right, yeah, I got it. Yeah, I got it. Oh, actually, it looks good. I'm gonna write this down too. So BA, honestly, yeah, it looks good. So BA. Everything's dumping. Meta took a hit. Yeah, so a lot of things are taking a hit right now. So we'll just have to see how things play out. And honestly, that's another reason why I didn't have any swings. A lot of my trades, we were waiting the trigger. So I only took some lottos. You know, if I lose on them, it's cool. But yeah, hopefully we get some regular swings by today. Thank you so much. Helps having a second pair of eyes. Yeah, exactly. So that's what I'm here for. Obviously, no, I'm not saying that I'm right or anything. So yes, just make sure do your own research, of course. But yeah, no worries, no worries. So yeah, under that 208, yeah, that looks pretty good. 208.72. We got down to that 199.46. All right, I found like I kid you not, I found like 3 or 4 possible swings in a day. This might happen during the day though, so we'll have to see how that plays out. All right, yeah, so that's the downside, and that is on BA, which doesn't look too bad. All right, so PDD, let's take a look here. All right, I already have something on this that I like. Yo, Cooper, thanks for the follow, really appreciate it. Let me look here. So pretty much same thing. Okay, yeah, I got it. So I didn't know what time frame I wanted, but 2 hour looks the best. All right, cool, cool, cool. Rest in peace, Chipotle and Kava. That's great. I haven't even checked Kava either. All right, so PDD, this is what I see here. Right under this bottom wall, this 133.27. We got down into this 131.25. So right now we're just inside of consolidation. Don't really want to do anything except for just the weights, which doesn't look too bad. So we'll have to see how that plays out. Yo, Shirley, thanks for reposting the live. Nah, bro, look at Nvidia. It's ready to dump. Is it, bro? Honestly, if we're ready, I'm ready too. All right, so it looks like screw you, Tesla. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, it looks like Tesla on this 30 minutes trying to drop. Look, bro, all I gotta say is if we dump, I'll be a ready man. So we'll see how things play out. So right now, it looks like we kind of already tapped some empty space below us. Might have to do that 1 hour. So yeah, we got that 1 hour box. That looks good. So hold on 1 second here. All right, yeah, well, it looks decent. We'll have to see how things play out today. We shall see. All right, NVDA. We got to do so NVDA. We'll take a look there. We did PDD. Obviously IWM. So IWM. All right, so obviously yes, we ended up hitting that final as well already. So IWM, we would need that bounce though. All right, so yeah, we ended up dropping 244.86. So yeah, that was another box there. So yeah, a lot of these trades are trying to hit pre-market, which is perfectly fine. So yeah, IWM, obviously, you know, just another lotto, so nothing crazy, of course. But yeah, we ended up dropping to this empty space, so I can go ahead and show you. So this was the box here. Don't worry about these blue lines in the middle. We end up breaking under this wall, this 246. We touched that first, and then that final was that 244. Let me look here. For something new, is there something here? Yeah, there's something here. So 2 hour. All right, yeah, I got it. Want to make sure my top and bottom walls are right. Okay, so that's if we want to dump today. I'm not saying that we will, but this is the next little leg down that I can see. And yes, not telling anyone to enter into any trade, so please do your own research. Not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. So we'll have to see. All right, so yeah, under that 241, that'll be that next little move there. 241 down to this 238. That's what I can see there. All right, so right now I can see yes. All right, no emojis right now. Please leave me alone. All right, so yeah, we end up tapping that TP already. So that's the next little move I could see. Maybe on a lower time frame, there could be another little box, but I do like under that 241, which doesn't look too bad. That's if we want to drop though. So let me see here. That's there, NVDA. Okay, cool. Can I look at MSFT again? Yeah, got you, bro. So for MSFT, yeah, we got this empty space which is above us. That looks good. So yeah, above that 531, if we can get that, looks decent. I'm personally just gonna wait for that and see how that plays out. What platform do you use for? So all I use is TradingView. TradingView is how I go over all of my analysis. Obviously, broker-wise, Webull, TradeStation. I do have a couple other ones just in case, but those are my main ones that I use. All right, yes, guys and gals. So before Lime calls it out, I will be going to get some more water. So yes, I'll be back in a second. If you have any requests, if I didn't go over what you want me to, just drop it in the comments now, and I will go over it once I'm back. If you do want to join the Discord, be a part of the team, links in the bio. You can see what we pretty much do here. In the games page, you can even talk to the members. Honestly, just join the free chat if you'd like. We do have that code that will be ending soon too as well. So yes, we'll be going over pretty much everything. If you do plan on joining, just make sure, not financial advice, please do your own research. All right, 1 second here. I'll be right back. And drop those comments, drop those requests. We will be going over everything. All right, yes, 1 second here, guys and gals. Yo, what's up, everyone? All right, so yes, we are back, or I'm back. So yes, we'll keep on going here. So yes, we'll go over Lyft. We got a couple other ones. CRBL. Okay, I got you, boo. We got to go over NVDA. So Tesla, pretty much same thing. Oh wow. Yeah, Jose, we might have something there. We just might. Oh wow, that looks crazy. All right, yeah, we'll go over it. All right, so Lyft. Let's take a look here. All right, so yeah, we'll do it. So we got a couple plays. Hold on, I gotta write some things down. All right. Okay, cool. So as of right now, for Lyft, let's take a look here. We can go to a possible higher time frame for this. So we'll take a look here. So 24-hour on Lyft, or actually we'll go to the weekly chart. All right, weekly chart, I don't really see anything that I like there. 24-hour, may see a little bit of something. 20 or 4-hour, let's see. Okay. Alright, I'll be honest, on lift, the only thing that I can see here is this. And the only reason why I'm going over this, I get it, we are, you know, pretty far away from this, so I get it, we could end up going down to that 1944 as of this second, but what I can see is this. We got a little bit of empty space here, so basically another box, same exact thing as always. Top wall, nice bottom wall there. Right under us, yeah, we got some empty space. So under that 1829, we get that nice break under us. Down to that 1685, looks good. So entry, exit, middle of the move. Looks really decent. But yeah, shout out Jesus, man. It's going to be a great day. We got some setups lined up. Doesn't look too bad. Not too bad there. So that is on lift. And yes, I think our guy Potter Stocks ended up getting banned yesterday. So if you're new here, make sure to follow our guy Potter Stocks PBS. Make sure to give him a follow. You can join his Discord too as well. Great guy. So make sure to show Potter some love too. All right, so yeah, that is on lift. Looks really good. CRBL. Let's take a look here. USAR. Gotcha. No worries, man. All right, so let's see. We'll go to a 24-hour time frame. We'll break it down. Okay. He got banned for what? Dude, I don't know. I'm not too sure. I wasn't in there when he got banned, but yeah, I'm not sure, but yeah, I just know he did get banned. I saw his story this morning. So yeah, just make sure to give him a follow, things of that sort. Join his Discord, things of that sort too. Make sure to show him some love. Yeah, I think he got banned on TikTok, yeah. Oh, he got very... Oh, okay, yeah, I don't know the reason. So yeah, I wasn't there. The machine... Dude, I actually got I almost got banned yesterday too. They gave me a restriction, but they took it away. They approved it, so we're good as of now. So just remember, yeah, just do your own research, not financial advice. I'm not telling anyone to get into any trade, so yes, you all have to do your own research, of course. All right, so CRBL, let's take a look here. All right, so yeah, nice top wall there, nice bottom wall here. And yes, right above us, we got some empty space, so hold on. Sorry. So yeah, above this, so yeah, body candle, wick. What I can see there is if we can get this break above, we have empty space above us to this 39.99 area, which doesn't look bad. So, he said, hashtag save pod. Dude, I know. Yo, Lawnmower, I got to text you back today about the honey, too. So, we got to get some honey today, man. Alright, so we'll take a look. So, yeah, above that 37.33, we get that nice break. We have that empty space above us. That's just what I'm seeing as of right now. I personally wouldn't touch it. But, yeah, that's what I can see there. Alright, so CBRL, we did that. NVDA. Yo, this looks crazy. Hold on. Let's see. Alright, so I did like, okay, I do like the 2 hour. The 2 hour looks like we're already in some empty space, but I will go to this 1 hour because I do see that we do have a little bit of turbulence. Alright, so that is there. Hold on. So yeah, we did see BRL. That's what I like. Alright, so let me see. My bad. Alright, so NVDA. Okay, yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Yo, Catherine, thanks for sharing the live stream. Really appreciate it. So yeah, we got a nice top, bottom wall there. Ooh, yeah, it looks like we're sitting right. We're sitting right at buyer's control. So if buyers press this up, I can see us possibly going up to this top box. Yo, Rug sent some charts in. Hold on. Yeah, that looks really good. What? Oh, dang. I kind of lost track of time. Alright, so, hold on. Let's see. Nah, there's like a lot of good plays today. Just gotta pretty much just stick to one or two and then just wait for the entries pretty much. So yeah, like on like today, like I do see like a lot of potential plays. Personally, yeah, I mean I'm still gonna wait for them, of course, but I'm just gonna focus on just one or two, and then yeah, just want to wait for some entries to see if we can get them. As of right now, there's just no entry on this. We are inside of, we're inside of consolidation as of this second here. So would need a break outside that 203.12 into this downside here, which doesn't look too bad. So we'll see how that plays out, which doesn't look bad at all. All right, so that is on there. Also, yes, let's take a look at PLTR. Haven't taken a look there as well either. So yeah, there's another little play here. There's a lot. There's a lot. Honestly, hold on. Let me look at the Qs. So I'm not gonna lie, QQQ was my favorite stock of the day. This is something that I I for sure definitely would have taken. We do have another little gap here. Personally, I do see a couple other ones, so I may just miss out on this one. But yeah, we'll see how that plays out. PLTR, this is also a good one here. He said PLTR puts look terrible. I'm in calls right now. Dude, Lawnmower, the only way, okay, and yeah, just make sure everyone do their own research, not financial advice, not telling anyone to get in. I'm personally not in. Buyers will have to take control here, so we don't bounce at this 196.36 area. Could potentially see some downside there, so we shall see how that will play out. All right, so yeah, so imbalance will be that so entry, exit, middle of the move. We got exactly what we want here. So that's if we do get that nice break below. He said, "I'm a big boy, Lee. You can tell me I'm cooked." Oh, no worries, man. I mean, I took some lottos yesterday too, even though the trade wasn't valid. So, I mean, obviously it won't hurt or anything, but yeah, if it's a little red, it's all good. Yo, Dallas, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. Yeah, so that's on PLTR. That's what I can see to that downside if we end up getting that little break to this downside. All right, so PLTR, how is Tesla looking today? And also USAR. We didn't do this, did we? Okay, we didn't do that. All right, so yes, I see two outcomes on this. So above that, 25, 45. Got the empty space up to that 31.59. So we got that, yeah, nice little gap here. But yeah, I do see something else as well, so just give me a moment. So what am I seeing? Clear gap down, pretty much same exact thing. That's what I like. Right, hold on. Let's see here. Nice top wall there, bottom wall here. Right above this 21.64, we got empty space above us. So, we'll see how that plays out, which looks good. Yo, that's crazy. All right, yeah. Right now we're still in the box, so which is a good thing, good sign. So not a bad thing. So we'll have to see how that plays out. Looks really good. All right, so that's there. So Kiki pretty much done with that. SPY, pretty much same exact thing. We still got another little gap there. So SPY doesn't look bad. Tesla, so Tesla, yeah, we're pretty much at this box here, so we would need that break outside that 452 to this empty space below us. So buyers have control right now. So if we end up rejecting here, we could end up going up, but yeah, we would need that break under. All right, so that's there. USAR, we did that. Also, let's take a look. He said PLTR. Let's see. Yo, user 73, thanks for the follow, really appreciate it. All right, cool. F. All right, let's do it. Actually looks pretty decent. 1 second here, guys. 1 second here. All right, all right. One second. Type in some things. All right, so all right, so for F, all right, yeah, so F, it looks like, okay, looks like that we might be punching back through here. So yeah, right now, yeah, we got some empty space below us, that don't look bad. As you can see here, yeah, we got, so hold on, let's see. Honestly, we'll get rid of this. We'll get rid of it again. I do like the 4 hour. I'm going to, you know, make this box just a little bit differently. It's going to be pretty much just tweaking it up just a bit here. Right above or right below us, if we can get this continuation down into this 1259 area. So that's what I can see, which honestly doesn't look too bad. So yes, entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want. Looks pretty good. So as of this second here, we're pretty much there. So yeah, we'll see if that plays out. Doesn't look too bad there. All right, so yeah, that is on F. Honestly, yes, above us too. I am favoring the downside on this, but 1334 could see up to that 1390 area. So honestly, not a bad little play either, depending on what we want to do on that. So we'll just see how that plays out. Not too bad there. So SPY, pretty much everything going up here. Let's take a look. PLTR, let me look here. So I do want to take a look at IWM too. All right, let's change this song before it turns freaky in here. Hold on, let's change that. All right, cool. My bad, they added some like freaky song inside of that random playlist. So, all right, so IWM, let's take a look. Honestly, all right, so I did say IWM. We did have another little move here to the downside. Honestly, we might end up rejecting here. So, it's kind of irrelevant now since that move already kind of happened. So the next thing I would see here is, yeah, above that 247, grab that 246 area, we could end up seeing this upside. So we'll see how that plays out for today. Dude, yeah, honestly, I just searched up one day some random playlists and something good for like some charting music, I guess. All right, so yeah, so we went over IWM. We'll go over there, what, QQQ again? He said, leave that freaky song on, these stocks are about to get it. Honestly, if the move can happen, yeah, I'll definitely give it to the stocks for sure. Alright, so for the Qs, I'll be honest, right? We you know, there's really nothing for me to do on this. We end up getting that nice break to this downside. We tap that first TP. So this is a pre-market, so obviously no, I'm not in. There's no profits that I can take. But yeah, we'll have to see how that plays out. All right. So yeah, personally, if we end up, you know, getting that continuation to this downside, there is a gap here, so there is a nice empty space move here that doesn't look bad. I will say, actually, yeah, it doesn't look too bad here. So this is the next little move. I will personally get rid of this now since that kind of already happened. Next little move I can see. Top, bottom, all there. Under that, 629. We get that nice little break there. Got down to that 628.08, and maybe I'll leave a runner to this downside here if we can clear that. So, doesn't look too bad there. So yeah, we shall see how that will play out. So yes, that is on QQQ. So yeah, that move kind of already happened, so we're going to just have to see how things play out on that. So it doesn't look too bad. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. Got a lot of typing to do, things of that sort. So yes, thank you all so much for tuning back into the live stream. If you want to join the free Discord, links in the bio. You can join the free chat. You see what we do here. We also do have that code that will be ending soon for the VIP. So you can see that in the free chat too as well. So yes, I'll either see you inside of the Discord or in my next live stream. So yes, thank you all so much for tuning in. I will see you all soon. Have a blessed one, guys and gals. See you all soon. In Jesus' name, amen.